Aries, 30th November 2024. Love life, excitement brews in your romantic life, Aries. Plan a fun outing or try something new with your partner to shake things up. Singles may find themselves intrigued by someone outside their usual type. Be open to exploring the unknown. Career, your innovative ideas could catch the attention of higher-ups today. If you've been working on a proposal or creative project, now is the time to share it. Your confidence and enthusiasm are contagious, making collaboration smoother. Well-being, you are brimming with energy, so use it wisely. Avoid overcommitting yourself and make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Advice: step out of your comfort zone in love and work. Your willingness to take risks will lead to exciting new opportunities. Lucky color, scarlet red. Lucky number, 7. Taurus, 30th November 2024. Love life, a spontaneous plan with your partner could bring joy and excitement. Singles, today is ideal for exploring new social scenes. You might just meet someone intriguing. Career, you are feeling motivated and productive. Use this energy to tackle tasks you've been putting off. Your determination will help you finish the week strong. Well-being, you may feel a boost of energy. Use it wisely but don't overexert yourself. Balance activity with rest to avoid burnout. Advice: take advantage of your positive energy and use it to foster both personal and professional connections. Lucky color, emerald green. Lucky number, 5. Gemini, 30th November 2024. Love life, a spontaneous date or outing with your partner could lead to joyful memories. Singles, stepping out of your comfort zone might lead to a delightful surprise. Career, you may face a decision that requires quick thinking. Trust your instincts but ensure you have all the facts before committing. Well-being, keep an eye on your diet and hydration today. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how you feel. Advice: embrace spontaneity but remain mindful of your boundaries and needs. Lucky color, lemon yellow. Lucky number, 9. Cancer, 30th November 2024. Love life, shared experiences strengthen bonds. Plan an activity with your partner that reflects mutual interests. Singles may find a romantic connection in a familiar setting. Career, a productive day awaits if you focus on completing unfinished tasks. Avoid distractions and keep your eyes on the prize. Well-being, engage in mindfulness exercises to stay present. This will help you maintain emotional equilibrium amidst a busy day. Advice: balance productivity with personal connections to feel accomplished and fulfilled. Lucky color, silver. Lucky number, 3. Leo, 30th November 2024. Love life, warm and heartfelt conversations strengthen your relationship. Singles may find an intriguing connection in a casual setting. Career, collaboration brings great results. Engage with your team to share ideas and work together toward common goals. Well-being, make time for leisure activities that bring you joy. Watching a favorite movie or diving into a hobby can rejuvenate your spirit. Advice: nurture your relationships by listening and showing appreciation for the people in your life. Lucky color, gold. Lucky number, 6. Virgo, 30th November 2024. Love life. Unexpected surprises in your love life could brighten your day. Couples might receive exciting news, while singles could encounter someone intriguing. Career networking will be fruitful. Attend events or reach out to peers in your industry to expand your professional connections. Well-being, stay active with light exercise to keep your energy flowing. A brisk walk or a fun dance session works wonders. Advice: be open to new experiences, they may lead to delightful opportunities. Lucky color, olive green. Lucky number, 8. Libra, 30th November 2024. Love life, a light-hearted day where humor and joy take center stage. Couples should plan a fun date, and singles might meet someone through a group activity or event. Career networking opportunities abound. Attend a gathering or reach out to industry contacts for future collaborations. Well-being, engage in activities that make you happy, whether that's dancing, painting, or catching up on your favorite show. Advice: don't overthink, sometimes the best moments come when you let go and enjoy the flow. Lucky color, pastel blue. Lucky number, 4. Scorpio, 30th November 2024. Love life, your charisma is irresistible today. Use this to deepen emotional connections with loved ones or charm someone new. Career, it's a great day to network. Conversations with influential people may open doors for future endeavors. Well-being, spend time near water, a lake, a bath, or even a calming fountain. It will soothe your mind and soul. Advice: believe in your magnetic power, it's your time to shine. Lucky color, deep purple. Lucky number, 1. Sagittarius, 30th November 2024. Love life, your playful side takes the spotlight, bringing laughter and joy to your relationships. Singles, keep things light-hearted, it's a great day for flirtation. Career, creative ideas flow effortlessly. Use this burst of inspiration to tackle stalled projects or pitch innovative solutions. Well-being, a nature outing will refresh your mind and spirit. Spend some time outdoors if possible. Advice: let your creativity lead the way, it's a day for fun and imaginative solutions. Lucky color, fiery orange. Lucky number, 2. Capricorn, 30th November 2024. Love life, your practicality shines in love today. Couples will appreciate mutual support, while singles might attract someone who admires their stability and wisdom. Career, your meticulous planning pays off. A colleague or superior may turn to you for advice, enhancing your reputation. Well-being, meditation or mindfulness practices will help calm a busy mind. Advice: stay organized, it's your superpower today for both work and personal life. Lucky color, charcoal grey. Lucky number, 10. Aquarius, 30th November 2024. Love life, Aquarius, this is a great time to express your feelings and share your thoughts with your partner. Your unconventional approach might bring a fresh perspective to your relationship. Singles may find themselves drawn to someone who challenges their intellectual boundaries. Career, your ability to think outside the box is at its peak today. Innovative solutions and forward-thinking ideas will be valued. Look for opportunities to showcase your creativity at work. Well-being, Focus on creating a peaceful atmosphere today, whether through a quiet space at home, nature, or music. This will help you recharge your mental energy. Advice: continue to share your unique insights and ideas. They will lead to great breakthroughs. Lucky color: electric blue. Lucky number: 11. Pisces, 30th November 2024. Love life. Today, Pisces, your romantic life may be filled with tender moments. If you are in a relationship, consider taking some time for an intimate conversation that strengthens your bond. For singles, this could be a day of emotional clarity regarding what you truly need from a relationship. Career: your imagination and problem-solving abilities are heightened today, making it a good time for brainstorming sessions or creative work. You might come up with a breakthrough idea that propels a project forward. Stay open to collaboration. Well-being: focus on self-care today. Emotional well-being is key, so make sure you are balancing work with relaxation. A creative hobby or relaxing activity could help you recharge. Advice: take time to nurture your emotional needs today. This will allow you to approach everything else with a calm and clear mind. Lucky color: sea green. Lucky number: 12.